Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. 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 Don't stop, don't stop. This game ain't nothing. I'ma wait till the top. High up this money. Just set it on fire. 'Cause it don't mean nothing. Here's one for the night. Don't waste my time.
Hey guys, Tony the Soysauceassassin. Welcome to another video review. Today I'm gonna review a lighter. This one is sent, well, not sent, but like I got a message from Jesse and said, "Oh, check this lighter out." And I looked at it. I was like, okay. And I looked at the price. It's like $20. And I go, okay, I'll buy one. But there's some information in there that's like kind of in the deciding process. But I figure I'll make a video about it because maybe you're just like me. You never have enough lighter. Or maybe you're just like me that wasting money is just your daily routine. Or maybe you're just like me and says, you know what? I like to buy things that might burn my house down. Then this video is for you. Okay? So I bought this one thinking that this thing has a fidget spinner on it, and it did not. Turns out it's two different lighters. I thought it was the same one. So you get the choice of a dragon or a fidget spinner, and that fidget spinner really is just a decoration after I talked to the Amazon person. And just like the dragon, it's just a decoration. So, but with the magic of I opened this previously, I have opened it. Comes with the instruction, all right? And there is 4 different ways to do this, but you can see like this one has a wheel on it. That's a fidget spinner, and that does not do shit. Apparently. Because what's amazing is I got the dragon one, and there's no spender on the back. With the thought that I knew stuff from Amazon that may be made in China is not to be trusted, I am not too surprised. It's like buying stuff from Temu. You can't really expect much of quality or no surprises or misinformation. So there, we got a lighter. It's charged by USB-C. Me, fear for my life, I kind of just minimally charged it. And what's really scares me is that when I pump some butane in there, I hear the pop. So this whole video might go really, really, really wrong. Or might go right. Okay. Obviously, I got a small cigar, so I don't have to do too much of regretting if that does anything wrong. So, first of all, let's talk about this this lighter. Okay, it's like roughly $25, $26 or something like that. It's got choices of dragon face or the wheel, and I think only one of them shows me a wheel. It's not a healthy thing it is. And it's got a fuel window right there. It lights up when you open up the cap. I'll show you in a minute, okay? And so it's charged by USB-C. The method of turning this on is basically touch any of the sensors. So you can touch the lighter, it'll light up. You can blow on it, it'll light up. You shake it, it'll light up. Supposedly, if you talk to it, it'll light up too, but I don't know how that works. I think it says talk about ignition. I don't know what that means. So here you go. Open it up. It lights up. It lights up. Okay, the fire is kind of small. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it bigger. Now when you need a screwdriver, it's never around me. So I'm just gotta figure out a way. No. Screwdriver. I never had a flathead screwdriver here. Well, just gotta use this one. Okay. Is that enough? More? Well, which side is the plus? Oh, that side is the plus. No, I turned the wrong way. Okay. Okay. All right. So you open this up. You blow back. I'm gonna tune that down. Let's tune that down. But this thing is kind of ridiculous. If you blow on it, it turns on. I can really hear the fuel. Like, I don't know. Fuel scares me. Open it up. If you hear voices, it lights up. Tap it, lights up. Flame, lights up. Pretty much every way it does, it lights up, except there is no button. There is no button. On. 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 Yeah. There is an electric arc thing in there. On. That turns the basically just ignites it. But the moment they open the cap, fuel comes up. I guess it's kind of cool. But I also think it's kind of dangerous because there's no actual trigger to this. I guess we can talk, right? On. 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 This is horrible. On. All right. You can only count this thing as a novelty. If you like to waste your money, buy one. It's actually not very safe or versatile. So basically, this is called a like 4-way lighter, and yeah, if you like it, have fun with it. But for me, I pretty much just need to milk another video for you guys. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that kind of demonstrates what this does. I think is somewhat dangerous, inconsistent, and scary. But if you want a lighter that want to like a conversation piece, flip on. I guess there is. But if you want a lighter that, you know, for the safety of it, you're not bringing a battery, a zapper, and a gas together, then don't get this. All right, so that is it for the testing review video of this lighter. It's really hard to show this drying it, but there you go. Hey guys, I hope you guys like this. I have another lighter coming in soon. We'll do some comparison and we'll see. It's just some video about lighter, so you know what lighter you might want because you never have enough lighter. Bye guys.